When we talk about migration, when the journalists do it, when the politicians do it, they talk a lot with passion and not enough with scientific argument. And it's the role of economists, but also demographers, to put again some science in the debate. We gather scholars who are specialists of migration and family economics. This year we have introduced a poster session. Young PhD students and also postdoc students can exchange with experienced scholars about what they could improve in their research.
When you make the decision to migrate, it's affecting you. It's also affecting the others. It's more of a family decision, so it should be studied in the family context.
Economics of the family, I think, is both an old and a new topic. The family is one of the earliest incubators of human capital and sort of fundamental to all sorts of decisions about schooling, health, marriage.
A lot of what I do is sort of working on impacts of migration on people in poor countries. It's refreshing to come to a conference like this where you're also getting the perspective from the receiving country side and you're interacting with scholars who are looking very much at what happens when people migrate.
Academic research depends on the interaction of researchers. We have to talk to each other, we have to learn from each other, and we have to criticize each other. So meetings like this one are tremendously important.
We hope that the workshop will become a kind of well-known hub that will gather specialists of the questions of migration and family, and that it will improve the exchange of knowledge about those two topics.